Okay, question number 3. We're just going to keep on moving. And as we get to this one, at least in mine, again, yours might be a little different. Let me know if it is or not. What we first do is kind of go through each question. Before I read them, I just find the numbers. I highlight them, write them down. So we've got $3,000, we've got 4%, we've got $240. And then I read the words by it. That's 240 is the interest. We have an annual interest rate. That's good. So that's, and then we've got this word simple interest. This makes it very important that we are talking about simple interest. So the formula interest equals principal times rate times time is going to come out. Now remember, the alternate one is if we had the accumulated value. Accumulated value is equal to the principal 1 plus the rate times the time, which remember these two parts, the one is 100% of what you put in, the RT times the P gives you the interest. So interest plus deposit. Okay. Savings account, so she's got 3,000. It's paid simple interest. 3,000 is going to be the principal. The rate is going to be 4%, so the rate will be 0.04. Remember, that's the one we have to convert to a decimal. And then we know the interest. We don't know the time because that's the question. How long? So that's the other thing, is you will be given, when you've got these formulas, you'll be given all of the information except for one piece, and that one piece is what we're solving for. So in this case, we are looking for t. What does t equal? Right? We have the interest. That's the I. So let's put it together and do a little bit of algebra. The interest, $240. The principal, that's the 3,000. Just put all of these in parentheses because that implies multiplication. The rate is 0.04. And the time, that's what we're looking for. We don't know it, so we'll just put it as t. We're going to multiply these two together, divide both sides by that, and we'll get our time. So let's do that. Got the Alex calculator down a little bit. So we're going to take 3,000 times 0.04. That gives us 120. So now we're down to 240 equals 120 times t. And some of you say, okay, if I divide 240 by 120, that looks like about 2 to me. But if you're not sure, let's just go ahead and put it in. We're going to take 240. We're dividing both sides by the 120. That will give us t. And again, 240 divided by 120. If my intuition tells me right, which it should, it's just 2. But it's a test, right? So you want to check just to be sure, because what did I do? See? 240 divided by, I didn't multiply. So what I like about Alex, it puts it in a formula so you actually see what you're doing too. Okay, so that's it. Our answer is 2 years, and we're able to just enter that in, and at the end we'll check our answer and feel pretty confident because these are the types of questions that will be on the test. So keep on studying, and we'll move on to question number 4 next.